अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 24 नवंबर को पार्क प्राइम होटल में रखा गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग कैसा रहा। और वीडियो के अंत में ऐसी खबरों को पाने के लिए चैनल 1 को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय हे।
To ABC East 1 Group, Kolkata, and India's first group of Alliance Business Connect. Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we start, just a few special announcements today. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Be ready with your fortnightly 45-second presentation script.
Good evening, members. I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee for the next 10 years. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators: chapter mentor Mr. Satish Lakodia ji.
Good evening.
Business driver Mayur Shah ji. Joint treasurer Miss Kimi Sharda. Chapter growth coordinator Gyanvi Daga and Atish Makaria.
I am now going to give a brief detail of the rules each member has to follow in ABC 2023-24. Members should give reasons for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absence in 3 months and no continuous 2 absence.
Treasurer cum member host. My role is to manage the finances of the chapter. I am hereby announcing different awards and recognition scheme for the quarter ending September 2023. For every 1-to-1, 5 points. For every 1 referral, 5 points. For every 1 visitor, 10 points. For 1 business close, 10 points. For 1 corporate meeting, 50 points. For 1 new member induction, 50 points. For 1 1-to-1 conclave, 100 points. For 1 KYM, 100 points.
23. Now I would request our mentor Mr. Satish Lakodia to tell briefly about the importance of motivation and how to generate business in ABC by way of networking.
Good evening, members and visitors.
Good evening.
Well, I have been asked to give some feedback on this networking. Networking is the most important thing for developing our business. No business can develop without networking. This we all know. Even if you see the history of the whole world, those who have raised in their personal life, those who have made money, बड़ा पैसा जिसने कमाया है, they all have made not only by innovation, not by new ideas. Of course, new ideas, innovation, that is very important. But the main money what they have made, the multiply of money by networking. कॉस्ट नहीं है, हमें कोई एक्स्ट्रा पैसा नहीं चाहिए, हमें वही पैसा चाहिए जो आपके ऊपर खर्च होता है। लेकिन आप परफेक्ट मेंबर कैसे बन सकता है उसकी डेफिनेशन हम नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में आपको बताएंगे। एंड एक चीज मैं आपको बता देता हूं, हमारे एबीसी जो दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है या इस टाइप के और भी कई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, उससे एक डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगी है। और हम ये चाहेंगे कि कम से कम आने वाले 2-3 साल में हर वर्ष 20% perfect members should be crorepati. This we will do it. Thank you, my dear friend.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Lakodia ji for his kind words and very good, innovative and very good speech that you've given. It's very encouraging for a newcomer like us. Okay, I am Girish Sharaugi from Ritufalam. We are importers and wholesalers of exotic fruits and dry fruits. We are located next to HHI Hotel. Location is Millennium Building. And thank you so much. And any help you guys want from me, I'm there 24/7. Thank you so much.
Less than 20. Signing up Shamalda, your Richard Doctor. 3 outsideable Mega, Naman and Sweet.
Good evening, ABC East 1. Good evening. Myself, Advocate KD Singh, and my company name is the KD & Company. We deal into any matter of the legal civil cases like property registration, property dispute, and also especially in the KMC cases, because I am a KMC tribunal lawyer, one-stop solution of your legal cases.
Good evening, ABC East. Myself, Shonamani Mandal, and my company name is Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance. मेरे पास मेरा इंश्योरेंस का लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का टोटल सोल्यूशन है. अगर किसी को इंश्योरेंस करवाना है या फिर ज्वाइन करना है, अपना करियर को ग्रोथ करना है, तो प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट मी.
Good evening, ABC. Myself, Kimmy Sarda from the House of Arya Jewels. We deal in all kind of costume jewelry. We are very close to real look jewelry with American diamond, Kundan foil, gold finish, Swarovski and Moissanite on silver as well as on gold also. Our USPs are that we take back our Swarovski with 50% cashback.
गुड इवनिंग एबीसी. इस ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए मेरी दीवानगी इसलिए स्पष्ट है क्योंकि इनका मतलब हमारी त्वचा, बाल और खुद को सामान्य रूप से कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाता. सो कॉन्टेक्ट मी एनी स्किन प्रॉब्लम, हेयर प्रॉब्लम और कॉस्मेटिक, all are natural homemade products. Signing off, Rashmi Jain.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Koili Bhomik Rajan. I have over 7 years experience in the world of professional makeup business. I am professional and about my making each and every client feel fabulous in their own skin. I have the opportunity to help client achievement and their goals.
That is something which is needed.
Samita Di.
That should be there. Actually, you have given the portrait a photo, so
Yes,
it should be
yes.
there. That should be there.
Samita Di.
Those who are, I am
Greeting all. It's a pleasure to be here with you all today. My name is Shomita Talukdar. I'm running an event management company. I must say that the ABC community has helped me in numerous ways so far. I have found immense support and have learnt a lot from you all, and I wish that you continue to support me in this way. I did too one-to-one with Mohini, Shailesh and Oshmita. Thank
Good evening, ABC. Myself, Sonia Paul, in behalf of Mr. Raja Paul, presenting my company Esartec Automation in the category of door and gate automation. Dear friends, हम लोग शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं, मे बी इन शॉपिंग मॉल और एनी स्पेंसर और नॉट. सपोज लाइक आप शॉपिंग के लिए गए हो, आपके दोनों हाथ में बैग है, आप डोर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हो, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड नहीं है डोर खोलने के लिए. हाउ विल यू ओपन द डोर? एंड सडनली आप देखते हो कि मैजिकली डोर इज ओपनिंग ऑटोमेटिकली. दैट मैजिक वी डू Esartec Automation.
Good evening everyone, I am Neeta Das and I am associated with Tata AIA Life Insurance, and you can contact me for any kind of insurance and I will be available. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC, and I welcome my visitor, Mr. Apurv Daga. This is Rohini from Amuse Sports. We are into sports technology and marketing. We provide excellent mileage, visibility, and reach for you and your brand through multimedia platforms, including outdoor media like hoarding, billboards, LEDs, traffic signals, etc. Print media, radio, press conferences, on-ground presence through sports tournaments and other events, and through our OTT platform, Amuse Sports.
Good evening, ABC. This is Mayur Shah. We are in the business of electrical solutions and real estate consultancy, and we provide end-to-end solutions. If anyone wants to connect with builders, architects, interiors, you can contact me. And I have given Mega one prospective client. Hopefully, she should close it very soon. With Manish ji, we are working on some real estate projects. And of course, with Bridgemont Energy, we are waiting on some financial consultancy. Hopefully, 2023 should be a good year ending for all of us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, for all the new members, I am Udvi Raja with my brand Happy Sins into 100% eggless bakery. The season of strawberries is back and so are our special strawberry items in cakes, desserts, pastries and ice creams.
Good evening everybody. When it comes to transforming your bedroom into a heaven of tranquility and style, there is one item that plays a starring role, your bed sheets. These unamusing pieces of fabric hold the power to elevate your sleep quality and make your room an oasis of relaxation. Discover the dream world of comfort with our luxurious bed sheets. My thank you slip goes to Rajiv ji, Vineet Beg, Vikram ji and Kimi.
Good evening, ABC. My name is Ashmita. I make organic bath products and scented candles and gift hampers for all occasions, festivals, weddings, etc. I had conducted a one-to-one with Samita ji, and thank you to Advocate Rohan Bhomik. Thank you.
Good evening members, I'm Sudha Agarwal.
I'm into a fashion designer for God clothes. I do customize curtains, customized clothes for dresses for God, curtains, backdrops, etc.
Jai Jirendra, myself Rahul Irawat from BharamEstate.com, helping people to buy their dream homes for past 11 years. Introducing stock of the week, 3 BHK ready flat available on resale in PS Panache. Vastu approved, south facing, ready for fit out, higher floor, and most importantly, stunning views of 1,000 acre of natural water body in Nalban Lake.
Good evening everyone. Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. That's where I come in. Hi, I'm an interior designer, Richa Musaddi. From designing to execution, you get all under one roof. Thank you.
Winter has sunk in and worried with breathing issues or someone very near and dear. More so with high pollution level in Kolkata, which is ironically among world's worst polluted city every single day at some point of time. It has become a very big perennial issue. We at IJK Solutions help you with a solution. Get home a Shark air purifier, the world leader in this segment. Remember, we inhale 11,000 liters of air every day, and most of the time we don't want a much more quality.
Good evening, ABC. I am Megha Agarwal, co-founder of the Communic Media under the category of graphics and digital marketing. Our services are social media marketing, Google AdWords, SEO, and graphic design. We love everything digital. Bring us any product or service, we can market it for you.
Good evening, ABC. So this is Naman Agarwal from ABN Tracom Private Limited. So we are into the manufacturing of bed and bath linens, and presently we are associated with all the major hotels and hospitals pan India, and even we are supplying to the government tenders. And my activities are, I have done 4 one-to-one and I can about 5,500 to Rajesh Shekari. Thank you.
All ABC member, নাম শুভেন্দু ভাইয়া, কোম্পানি তুলসী পেন্ট। যেভাবে আমরা নিজেকে সৌন্দর্য বাড়ানোর জন্য সুন্দর সুন্দর পোশাক করি, ঠিক সেরকম ভাবে বাড়িকে সুন্দরভাবে সাজিয়ে তুলতে আমি আপনাদের কাছে তুলসী পেন্ট নিয়ে প্রস্তুত। যোগাযোগ করুন।
Good evening, ABC family. Myself Rakesh Aswal, owner of Homestay Bangabithan Abode, only 55 km from Kolkata. One-to-one done with Saketji, owner of Vedant Telecommunication. Thank you, slip given 1,08,000.
Thank you, ABC. Myself Rahul Champani from Rahul Export. Exporting scarf fabric and from last 2 decades to European countries. Thank you.
Myself Poonam Chandak, belong to CYB Financial Services. We are expert of settling claim of all the products of insurance and mutual funds. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. This is Jay from Overseas Guardians. We focus on career counseling and assisting students to make the right decision in regards to pursuing higher education in overseas renowned colleges and universities in various countries.
Good evening, friends. I am CA Neeraj Kejriwal. I am a practicing chartered accountant, and I help my clients in preparing their books of accounts, GST return, income tax returns, TDS returns, and I also help them in preparing their project reports for the bank loan. And I have one reference to Mr. Rishi Agarwal and Business Closed. And
Good evening, ABC. I am Manoj Poddar. आज मैं आपके साथ यूएसपी शेयर कर रहा हूँ आदित्य बिरला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की। इसमें अभी जो नई पॉलिसी लॉन्च हुई है उसमें कोई भी वेटिंग पीरियड नहीं है और डे 1 से कवर है अस्थमा, ब्लड प्रेशर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटीज, लंग डिजीज, ओबेसिटी, हार्ट डिजीज, और इसका कंसल्टेशन भी अनलिमिटेड फ्री और रिपोर्ट भी अनलिमिटेड फ्री है। हमें जो इक्विपमेंट्स वगैरह लगते हैं जैसे व्हील चेयर वगैरह ये सब भी रेंट में ले सकते हैं या बाई कर सकते हैं।
ABC, myself Manish Chamadia, working as a share and stock market professional, registered and authorized person with Messrs. Eureka Stock and Share Broking Services, working in F&O, cash, commodity, currency segments.
गुड इवनिंग मेंबर्स। क्या आपका फ़ोन बीमार है? क्या आपके फ़ोन स्विमिंग करते करते डूब गए हैं? या आपका फ़ोन ने आपके पॉकेट से जंप करके सुसाइड करने की कोशिश की है? डोंट टेक टेंशन। अपनी टेंशन आप हमें दे दें, क्योंकि हम हैं आपके मोबाइल पार्टनर। हमारे एक्सपर्टीज़ आपके फ़ोन को बेस्ट करके आप तक सुरक्षित पहुंचा देंगे। कम्युनिकेशन, वी हैव अ मोबाइल शोरूम एट हावड़ा एंड वर्कशॉप एट हावड़ा. We give the best offer at all the brand with exchange facility and finance facilities. So do contact us for your best offers.
Namaskar ABC family, I am Neeraj Thakur and we deliver medicines across Kolkata with a minimum 20% discount. If you are suffering from diabetes, blood pressure or any other chronic disease, do connect with me. I've got business from the following members: Gyanvi Daga, Sangeeta Ganganirewala, Sudha Agarwal, Ved Vaid, Jitendra Potra, Vivek Shravana, and Vikram Agarwal. Thank you so much.
ABC, and happy Diwali to all of you. Though I was not over here in Diwali, that's the reason I'm saying you. Myself, Vivek Shravana from the company Powers Enterprises. Our brand name is Krivi. Your home, your way. We manufacture all kind of LED lights and we automate your world. Yes, we automate your world. We manufacture all kind of LED lights. Be it automatic light, color changing lights, and any kind of lighting. Be it for home automation or industrial automation, we are doing all kind of automation.
Good evening all. I am Manish Dhanuka, having a business of dairy products, telecom industry and service center of Realme, Nokia, JBL and Google. I have done the one-to-one with Mayur ji and Brij Mohan ji.
This is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholenath Textile in the field of t-shirts manufacturing. We customize as per your requirements. We serve all corporates, we serve business houses as well as individuals. So be it a pool party or a uniform requirement for a corporate, be it an event, a social event or a marathon or a sports event, we do it all.
Good evening ABC, I am Anirudh Jhajaria representing my company Supernova Management Services in the HR category. We do permanent manpower placements at all levels. All candidates in my company are screened by me personally and then sent for the second round for interview and closure.
Good evening ABC. चलती का नाम गाड़ी और रुक जाए तो सब पे भारी, तो ना रुकने दे अपनी गाड़ी, चेक कराएं हमसे बारी बारी. This is Atish Makhadia, one-stop multi-car service center for all brand of cars, either is Maruti or Mercedes. Last month my friend want to sell his Honda City. He sent to me, it was rusted with suspension work. He wanted to modify the car. We have just changed the car. The look was totally changed. He dropped the idea to sell the car and took the car in a new way.
Good evening friends, this is Gaurav Mittal. I am representing my company IS Steels. We basically deal in steel scrap, sheet metal scrap. तो अगर किसी के भी नॉन में कोई लोहे का कुछ भी मैन्युफैक्चर करता हो, you can connect me. Thank you.
कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में, नेटवर्किंग करके एंड लजीज खाने के साथ दिल के रस्ते क्विक कर से दिल को छूके. Myself, Vineet Baig from Vineet Satyam Catering. Happy and lovely evening to all.
Good evening ABC. This is Karuna Dujari, Vastu and Vastu consultant from Karya. किसी की भी लाइफ में रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम है, मनी प्रॉब्लम है, मनी स्टक है, बच्चों के इश्यूज है, कोई भी टाइप के आपके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, डू कॉन्टैक्ट मी 1-to-1 करिए और जानिए, क्योंकि वो आपके घर में वास्तुदोष जरूर मिलेगा.
बैठे बैठे क्या करोगे, करना है कुछ काम, चलो आ जाओ एसी लेने, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी पड़ने वाली है अगले साल. Good morning ABC East. I am Narendra Singh Sekawat representing my company Home Appliances Doctor, your cooling partner.
Good evening ABC. I am Kush Agarwal representing my company Shiny Petals in the category of corporate using. We are end-to-end solution for corporates. From tabletops to bags, we customize all for corporates.
Good evening ABC family. I am Rahul, substituting Captain Balram Goswami, representing Hivi's Hotel Resort and Hotel and Resort, Mojim Beach and Goa. The hat symbolizes fun, relaxing and joy. We have integrated all elements.
My name is Ramay Das, we are for Partha Bhattacharya of Silicon Systems. We are helping organizations for the purpose of transforming business and growing with the ERP business personality, CRM business automation and ERP on cloud. Thank you, Shani of Partha
Bhattacharya. Myself Rahul, substituting Dr. Mo Bhattacharya of Kolkata, is down with fever, maybe due to typhoid, dengue, viral fever, weather changes. Please do a blood test, diagnose ASAP, so that you can start treatment. Do not hesitate to call us with blood samples. We do call blood samples across Kolkata.
Namaskar. Good evening, one and all present here. Basically, I am educationist, Dr. Rekha Vaishya, former principal of Bharati Vidya Bhavan. And here I feel very proud that many of the ex-students are here, like Rohini, she is my school student, she is my student. I am very thankful to Mrs. Shamita Talukdar. She invited me as a guest and I am really very motivated to heard the speech by the Lakhotia ji. Like जैसे हम स्कूलों में बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको नेटवर्किंग करनी है, आपको पढ़ना है, मेहनत करना है, वो आज मैंने इनसे सीखी कि किस तरह से आप मोटिवेट करते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड रियली आई लव दिस दैट ABC. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. गॉड ब्लेस ऑल ऑफ यू.
I am Rajat Kabra from Uniwater. We are into water quality management. We provide bathroom filters, whole house filters, etc. to solve hydrogen or hard water problems.
सेल डे, किसी ने ये आज बोला ही नहीं है, तो ये मेरी इस वीक की न्यू डिजाइन है जो मैंने पहना भी है. और ये है, आज इसको अभी कोई बुकिंग करता है तो उसको 25% डिस्काउंट मिलता है. के फैशन डिजाइनर.
ABC and a warm welcome to our honorable visitors. मैं अलाई आदित्य कसेरा एक LIC जीवन बीमा सलाहकार हूँ. वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल मैच में भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के प्रदर्शन को देखकर हम कह सकते हैं कि पिछले प्रदर्शन के आधार पर भविष्य में रिटर्न्स की कोई गारंटी नहीं है. इसलिए हमें ऐसा निवेश करना चाहिए जो पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित और जोखिम रहित हो और जो साल दर साल अच्छा रिटर्न्स भी दें. इसलिए LIC पॉलिसीज में निवेश करें.
Do we buy rotten vegetables? No. If by chance we get them, what do? We have to peel off the rotten portion and cook the rest. Or alternately, we have to throw away the entire vegetable, waste of money.
Evening everyone, myself PT Mantri, CEO of Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. As the wedding season is approaching, let your known would-be groom and bride feel a little more special with a yummylicious and specially designed hamper food for them.
Hello friends, myself Brizmohan Mundra from Sagun Corporate Consulting Private Limited. I am into loan syndication for last 25 years, doing all type of loans ranging from personal loan to working capital loans. I have done 10 one-to-one.
Good evening friends, myself Satish Lakhotia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
Who specializes into IPR also and civil law also. So any agreement related issue or trademark related issue, you can approach me. And thank you Rohini for helping me out to come here.
This is Kishori Kabra. We are into, my firm name is Shri Krishna Enterprises, and we are into manufacturing and trading of industrial fasteners like mild steel, stainless steel, high tensile. So if my connect will be with all the factories and industrial industries, and I can also give my give will be Rashmi Metallics,
which is basically used for rotogravure and flexo printing, and I also constructions chemicals. If you need any type of help, please contact me.
Presentation by Mr. Mayur Shah, our business driver. We are happy to announce that he has launched a company named Fibros in Kolkata as distributor.
A lot of electrical companies like, of course, Anchor, Havers, Legrand, GM and all that. Fibros is a company which has been predominantly a south-based company, and they are present in north. They have a turnover of 1,000 crores plus. They wanted to launch their product in Eastern India. So I have taken up that Eastern India total marketing rights for them. And this is a new brand. The products are all really good and unique. We just wanted to showcase it. My project head, Mr. Abhishek Khanna, is also here. If I come to the presentation, if anyone has any queries, then we are here to take care of that. So I'll talk less and show you more. Thank you.
To come and tell more about his business of air conditioner sales and services. Welcome Mr. Narendra Shekhawat.
My name is Home Appliances Doctor. We deals in all types of ACs. ACs मतलब split AC हो, cassette AC हो, ductable AC हो, VRV AC हो. We deal in all types of AC. Not only in Calcutta, but we deal all over West Bengal.
In cricket tournament, which will have teams from different business networking platforms on 23rd and 24th of December at Golden Tulip. We are going to have two teams from each from both chapters. We will announce the modalities of the same by this weekend, and those willing to participate are requested to confirm the same by 26th of November 2023. Closer to launching of our app. For that we have finalized modalities, and now we are requesting something to be done from your part. मतलब continuous candidate for this particular award. I can say one thing. कहाँ से लेके आते हैं ये LIC की विचित्र विचित्र बातें, ये तो वही समझ सकते हैं.
Now we have broken this trend and minutes. Then we will start dinner at around 8:40. Till then, it's happy networking. Visitors, can I ask you to stay for a longer duration for visitor orientation? You will be guided by our chapter mentor, Mr. Satish Lakhotia, and chapter growth team of Mr. Gyanvi Daga, Gaurav Mittal, and Atif Makaria.